morning and welcome. You're watching a CommexFX weekly outlook for Monday, April 20th. The euro declined 0.43% against the US dollar and closed at 1.0808. The dollar was lower against the euro for a fourth consecutive session on Friday, as expectations for higher US interest rates waned, despite data showing an uptick in inflation in March. The pair is expected to find support at 1.0435, and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.0905. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.1206, and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.0905. In the week ahead, investors will be looking ahead to reports on the US housing sector and data on durable goods orders for further indications on the strength of the recovery. The British pound declined 2.2% against the US dollar and closed at 1.4958. The pound rose to one-month highs against the broadly weakened dollar on Friday as investors scaled back expectations for higher US interest rates after a recent string of blockbuster economic reports. The pair is expected to find support at 1.4483, and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.4335. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.4881, and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.5131. Wednesday's Bank of England minutes and Thursday's retail sales report for the UK will be in focus. The US dollar declined 1.06% against the Japanese yen and closed at 118.93. The dollar fell against the yen for a sixth consecutive session on Friday after data showing the uptake in the US consumer prices failed to offset concerns that recent signs of economic weakness could prompt a delay in the interest rate hikes. The pair is expected to find support at 119.07, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 117.93. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 121.05, and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 121.89. In the week ahead, trade data from Japan will be closely watched. The Australian dollar declined 0.2% against the US dollar and closed at 0.7787. The Australian dollar rose to a three-week peak against its US counterpart on Friday before turning lower amid ongoing uncertainty over the timing of a Federal Reserve rate hike. The pair is expected to find support at 0.7590, and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 0.7496. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 0.7762, and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 0.7840. In the week ahead, market players are also looking ahead into Australian inflation data due on Wednesday. Gold declined 0.04% against the US dollar at 1204.22 as traders continued to mount the timing of a Federal Reserve rate hike to gauge the appeal of the precious metal. The pair is expected to find support at 1189.84, and a fall through could take it to the next support level of 1175.07. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1221.94, and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1239.27. CommexFX is now offering a new application. Download the brand new CommexFX TradeMate app right now and receive daily market information, suggested market directions to trade on, highlighted best trading options, and more, covering a wide range of markets including energy, metals, indices, and forex, among others. Trade easily, trade successfully. For more information on CommexFX TradeMate app, kindly visit our main website www.commexfx.com. Stay in the know by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, circling us on Google+, and of course, subscribing to our YouTube and CommexFX TV channels. Have a great trading day.